What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canayo again. So tonight we're going to be coming with another video. We're going to be building today or making a card. What team? This is the team right here. I mean, I can use a different picture, but I didn't have different pictures. I just wanted to use one picture. But anyway, so we're going to be doing this card, this team. We get a different names right here, but the same pictures. But anyways, it doesn't matter. The main thing is just the skill. So this is going to be responsive. Um, so we're going to be using the mobile approach first. Um, look, yeah, this is how it's going to look like at the end of the night. So this is what we're going to be building. This introduction, how the card is going to look like at the end of the video. So anyway, let's start it right now. So hopefully you guys like it. Please like the video, subscribe, and share it. Let's get more subscribers. We only have 23, man. We're stuck in 23 subscribers. Please, let's subscribe. Tell your friends. Tell whoever needs this. Tell them and subscribe to the channel. We need more audience in here. But anyway, so let's start. So I already have my HTML file ready. So I have my viewport ready just to do responsive. I have my font awesome right here because we're going to be using some icons, and also I have my CSS file ready to go. So let's start it. Let me just close this. I got my picture right here. We're good to go. Okay. So let's do this. So we're going to start with a div. So we're going to call this div team. This is our team. So inside this, we're going to use another div. And we're going to be calling team container. Okay, we got that. Now, what else do we got? So we're going to be using here article. So it's going to be a class name of team member. Oh man, team member. Now, next one, we're going to have an image inside the team member, img. So I already have my image picked. So which is in my folders is images /forward, and it's called women, the JPG. Okay, that's good to go. Now we're going to use H2 for the title. So first name is Peter Smith, right? So now below this, we're going to be using the underline. So we're using a HR tag. Then we're going to have a H5, and right here is going to be the name of the job. So this guy, what is Peter Smith, is going to be a developer. Okay, and now we're going to have a paragraph. We're going to be using what is it, Lauren, like the famous popular one. Okay, let's make it look nice. Let's organize this because my code goes all the way to China like this. Okay, cool. Just getting there. Nice. So right here, we're going to be open up another div. So this is going to be for the icon. So we're going to be calling right here team member footer. team member footer, and that's where we're going to have a tag. So right here we're going to have a icon with a class name of fat. It's going to be Facebook, okay. And we're going to close it right here. Cool. Let's copy this. Oh crap, what did I do? Let's copy this and then paste it right. We need 4. So the next one is going to be Instagram. Then we have, what else do we got? We got Twitter. And then we have Google Plus. So let's save that and see what we got so far. Okay, this is what we have, which is what we needed. So now we're going to paste all the article, because we need to do, we're going to paste it, we're going to copy this and paste it 3 times. 2, 3, okay? And we're going to be changing, the image is going to be the same. So what do we have? We got Peter Smith, okay? Right here we have, what is the name? Anna Patterson. And she is a designer. Okay. And then we have to change, what else do we change right here? We got that, designer. So we got to change the next one. This is Benjamin Lopez. Okay. And he is an IT specialist. I don't know why they put IT specialist. And then over here we got, who do we have? Last one, Matt. I just came up with his name, Matt Speedy. Speedy Gonzalez. So we give him the title as a tester. Okay. Let's save that and see what we got. Nice. So we're going to start this with the mobile approach. So let's see how the mobile looks like so far. Oh man, not looking good. Okay. Right, let's fix the picture first. So that way we can work with this. Okay. Let's get to our CSS. What name do we give it to? We're going to work with the team member IMG. Okay. We're going to do that. No. Okay. So we're going to be doing a width of 100 pixels. We're doing a border radius 50%. We're going to be doing a margin. So we're going to be doing this in a little bit, but let's just write it down right here. Minus 30 pixels. This is a trick that I learned from somebody. Let's just comment that for now. Border. This is the border for the image. 2 pixels. Solid. White. Let's see what we got. See what we got. Oh man, we got a lot of them open. Okay. So you don't see the border in here because it's all white. So we'll see in a little bit. Okay, we got that. We're going to be working like this. Okay. Okay. So now let's do the theme. Let's work with the theme with the main container. Actually, with everything else, with everything is inside. We got a theme. That's like the dad. All of these are the kids. So the main dad. I mean, how many dads you want to have? But anyway, so it doesn't matter. So in the theme, what do we need? We're going to do a padding, 40 pixels. So this is top and bottom, but no left and right. Okay. We're going to use a background of 113 C4 A3. Okay. That's what we need. Cool. So next we're going to be working with a team member. Let me check it out. So we're going to be working with this team member right there. Team member. So what do we need in team members? So we're going to do text align. So it's going to be center. So now we need the border. 1 pixel solid. We'll use a 2E 2 A 2 A. Okay. Okay, that's what we want. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's keep on going with this. So we need the border radius. We're going to be using 20 pixels for this. Also, we're going to be using a background. Okay, that's the color we have. Not too bad. Okay, What else do we got? We got transition. You got background. So you want 2 seconds east. And then we need the margin, 70 pixels. We need top and bottom, and then letter is going to be 0. Okay, cool. It's getting there, it's getting there. Now, so let's work with the hover. Team member. Oh man, I can't even type this. So right here, we're going to be using a background of 2B59C3. Let's see what color it's going to be. Oh yeah, that's the color we're expecting. Okay, cool. Okay. So what else do we need to go now? We gotta target now the team container. Okay. Team container. What do we got? We get a max width or 90 view width. Then we get a margin 0 auto. Okay. And then we need the padding of 40 pixels. 0. Okay. Cool. That's what we wanted. It's getting there. All right. So let's go now. Let's fix this image right here. So remember at the beginning I did this. So let's uncomment that. And this will come right here on the middle of the top. Nice. Okay. Cool. So now, what else do we need? The team container, we got that. Now let's target the headings. Team member H2, no H1, H2. Dude. My head was thinking H2, but my hands was going to H1. So we get text transform. It's going to be capitalized. Okay. And then we have color. We want Y color. Let's see it. Okay, that's what we wanted. Not too bad. So now we're going to target to the underline, the HR tag. So right here, we're using a width 70%. 70%, then we're going to do a margin just to center it. We're going to see 0 auto just to center that, and then we're going to do a border 1 pix solid, the green color that I like green colors, A3. Okay, cool. It's looking good. It's looking good. Now let's target the H5. So right here, we're going to use uppercase. We're going to use uppercase. We're going to be using same color. We'll use a margin 10 pix, top and bottom, 0 left and right. Okay. Designer, IT specialist, tester. Cool. Now next, we are going to target the paragraph. So right here, we're still gonna leave that color right there. The line height of value of 2. And then we're going to be using a margin 10 pix. Okay. Not too bad. I think it's looking good. Okay. Okay. What else do we need? Team member P. Okay. Now we're going to be tagging we did that, so now we gotta come right here. Team member footer. So we'll do say padding 20 pix 0. We're going to be using a background 2E 2A 2A. Okay, you got that. There's a border bottom left radius 20 pix. So let's copy this because we're going to be using that for the right too. Copy. Let's change right here. Okay. So this is for the icons right here. Okay, that's all we got. Cool. Now we need to use display flex right here. Justify content, and we're going to be using a space around, which is right there. Let's save that. Nice, nice, good job, good job. Now let's continue with this. Let's target actually the icons. We have the class of fa. right here, cool beans. So let's get rid of all of this, and we'll be using a font size of 30 pixels. We're going to be using a color, which is going to be same color as the underline. Here we go, right there. Okay, let's use a transition. Color 2 seconds. Paste. Okay. Okay. Cool. Not too bad. And then we gotta use a hover. When it's in hover mode, let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. And we need the color yellowish, FFC 914. I think that's the color I was expecting. Let's see. Yeah, transition is working. Same thing with the background over here of the card. Cool beans. Nice. Okay. So this is what we have. So this is everything we need to do for the mobile approach. This is good. Everything is working fine. Now we gotta make it work responsive. Mobile approach is good. See, we wanted just 2 columns right here. So we got 4 cards for 4 different people, and we need 2 cards. We need 2 columns, 2 and 2, 2 top, 2 bottom. So okay, let's do that. And for that, we're going to be using media queries. Okay, let's leave it like that. Media screen, and we're going to use a min width, 576 pixels. Okay, we want to use the theme. We're going to target the theme container. Why? Because that's where all the articles, all the different themes are. If you come right here. So this is the daddy, and these are the kids. How many kids are there? How many articles? Every article is 1 kid. 1, and there's 4. So that and kids. And team should be the grandfather or something. Something like that. But anyway, team container. We'll be using a display flex. We'll be using a justify content, which is going to be a space in between. And we're going to use a flex wrap. So that way it will be flexible. Okay. And then since we're here, let's just do the team member. Let's target the team member. So now, so we target first, right? Like the main container, team container. Now we're going to target the kids. which is going to be a team member. Every article has a class, and the class name is team member. So, okay. Team member, we're going to use a flex. So we don't want this to grow. We don't want this to shrink, but we want this to be 50%. Percent 1 m. Let's see what we got. Okay, cool. We got as we wanted. That should be good. Now for the last one, now we gotta work on this on the desktop approach. So now what we need to, let's copy this. Going to do another media query, but we're going to get rid of all of this. We're going to change right here. It's going to be 992 pixels. So instead of having a 50%, we're going to use 25%. Yep, cool beans. So this is what we got so far, guys. This is the end of the video. So we did a card. The card is working properly as we were expected. This is just an awesome card. Guys, if you just want to go ahead and change it to whatever you want to do, just go ahead and do it. You know, but this is a good way to practice your skills with HTML and CSS. This is responsive. Let's check the mobile approach. Cool. All the different size of fonts. Yeah, should be good. Guys, thank you very much for checking the video, okay? So don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and we need more subscribers. So we're going to keep doing this. I'm hoping to do this every single day, just to start building something, or do another tutorial about JavaScript, or about Java, C++, like in all those different languages. But we'll see. Everything depends on the time. But right now it's like at 12:03 a.m. So I gotta go to bed because I gotta go work tomorrow. But hopefully you guys liked the video. Tell your friends about it. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a good night. Bye bye.